What's up, world? Yeah, you
brothers and sisters. What's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to another video. Now, this one's gonna be a little bit different, but I don't care. I want to try it. The Travis Scott Happy Meal. Everybody's doing it, but they hyping it up. I want to see if it's actually good as everybody's hyping it up to be. All right, y'all. So let's check out what's actually in this meal. So I'm looking here. You can zoom in. Wow, $6. Cactus Jack's favorite. Boom. 3 McDonald's favorite. All for $6. Okay, what's in it? What's in that thing? All right, with cheese. Okay. Oh, so it's a quarter pounder with cheese. Okay. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Bacon. Lettuce. Okay. It's a classic made iconic. Okay, wait a minute. All right, so then we come with the medium fries. Boom. And of course, okay, he likes it with barbecue sauce. Okay, I like barbecue sauce. I'm a honey mustard type of guy, you know what I'm saying? But I'll try the barbecue. Now let's see. Sprite with ice. It says straight up. I don't know what straight up means. Like, what's straight up about the Sprite? They say go for Sprite in a classic McDonald's cup. Where else you gonna put it? Oh, and ask for extra ice. Ask for extra ice. Oh man! Oh, let's see. Okay. All right. Okay. We got the fries going on. You already know I gotta. Okay. Okay. Fries nice and crisp. Let's take everything out. Let's take these bad boys out real quick. What's this? We ordered some extra stuff just for us. Is that the Cactus Jack right there? Is that it?
Yeah.
I think it is, right? It got the onions. Okay. Not too much, not too little.
Got the bacon.
Okay, got the bacon. Oh, you looking at that too, right? That bacon all crispy. Oh, I don't know. I like quarter pounders. I ain't gonna lie. We haven't ate McDonald's in a little bit, but okay, I see how they trying to get our people. They trying to bring us back with Cactus Jack. You know what I'm saying? But I see the pickles. Let's get serious. I see the pickles. Boom. I see the shredded lettuce, not whole lettuce. We don't do the whole lettuce. Got to shred it. Ooh, I see the Big Mac sauce. They try to slide it in there without telling us. Boom. Mustard. Boom. Ketchup. You know. Okay. That beef looking on the lighter side.
That joint undercooked.
No, it's not.
That's what somebody said in the comments. Too.
No, they did not.
That thing is raw.
No, it ain't raw. It's cool. It ain't raw. It'll be blood. I don't care. I'm alright.
You gonna be on the toilet.
I'm gonna be on the toilet. It's alright. I'm still gonna eat it. Alright. What else it comes with? You know, you got that boom. Boom. Barbecue sauce, you know, for the French fries. Does he put it on a sandwich?
Probably.
What you think? The French fries. With my drink. Okay. Okay, look down at that drink, though. That large Sprite, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure it's tropical berry Sprite. You just can't get a regular Sprite at McDonald's. You gotta get a tropical berry. Put this back there, babe. All right, let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. All right, got a little French fries set. Now that's what I put the French fries on the burgers. I don't know what y'all do, but this is what I do. I put the fries on a burger. But this time I'm gonna wait. First off, boom, presentation. I'm not gonna lie. Does it look like the picture? A little bit. You don't think it look like the picture? It do, right? Look at that. That bun all nice and, ooh, look at that. That crusted. Okay, let me try it though. I'm gonna give it a taste.
What's the inside of that burger looking like? Pink.
It's cool. It's alright. It's medium. Alright. So I'm not gonna lie. I gotta get another bite. Okay. It's not bad, right? It's a quarter pounder. So it's nothing special about it. This is just, I'm pretty sure how Travis Scott would get a meal if he had to hook it up and go to McDonald's himself, you know, before a studio session, you know what I'm saying? But, come on now. You can't go get a quarter pounder without bacon. It won't be the same for me now. So now, they got me locked in. We got the beef. Is it 100% beef? I think it's about 99.8% beef. You know they got to throw some fake stuff in there. You know what I'm saying? Now, of course, I got to throw the French fries, them bad boy French fries in there. Let's get it. That's just how I eat it, y'all. I'm sorry. Don't judge me. I don't know about y'all, or how y'all was raised, but listen. I'm going to try it just like that. All right, y'all know how I like my bacon. I don't play with my bacon. I don't care where it's from. But let me tell you, bacon's all right. Not too dark, not too, light. I don't know if it comes at McDonald's already cooked, but it's not bad. Not bad, Yeah. I don't know about y'all. How y'all eat y'all burger? Because this one behind the camera, she'll eat 2 bites here, turn it around, and eat the back. Look at it now. That's a shame. I want to know, do y'all eat it from the back, the butt, and the side at the same time? No. You got to eat it in levels. I don't know. What y'all think? All right. Fries so crisp. Fries good. Fries nice and crisp. It's not overly salty. It's a perfect salt amount. She's shooting a video trying to sneak a fry. Let me try to sneak them fries. All right, now let's see the barbecue sauce. Again, we haven't had it in a while. So I'm going to see what it's hitting. We used to Chick-fil-A. Okay, I can see why you like it. I'm a fan. And then, of course, we have that Sprite. I can smell it from here. It's tropical berry. I don't get anything else. I don't care if it's orange juice, OJ, breakfast. I don't care. I want tropical berry Sprite. And it's crazy how many people are just now getting put on to the tropical berry Sprite. Ow! Let me tell y'all, do not come to McDonald's and get anything else. You have to try a tropical berry Sprite. You just need to. I ain't asked for no extra ice now. You ain't about to be getting me. You know what I'm saying? I need all the Sprite I can get. All right, let me ask y'all one more thing. I got another question to ask. When you guys drink, do you eat and then drink, or do you wait till you swallow the food and then drink? So do you do this?
Ew.
Yes. See, I can't eat it like that.
You wetting your food.
You wet in the food. You can't even get the taste of the food. But seriously, I ain't got time for all that. But look, if y'all near McDonald's near you, I don't know how you can't be near McDonald's. But if you guys are near McDonald's, try them out. I ain't gonna lie. I get a 1/4 pounder with cheese. I don't usually get bacon, but I'll probably get bacon from now on, whenever we decide to come. But I'm actually feeling that. Now, you seen that burger. It was one step away from being raw. Don't play with me, McDonald's, because if I get sick, y'all need to be careful when y'all order the burgers. I don't know if y'all need to tell them well done when you guys order it. Tell them to make sure it's done, because mine was a little iffy. But other than that, guys, thank you guys, so much for watching. We appreciate you guys. We love you guys. Tell us where else we should try. This was something different. But of course, don't forget, we need you guys to subscribe. Share this video. We need it. We want to grow. We want to show you guys more. And yeah, of course, we love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Peace. Okay, let's see what's in this bad boy.
You start saying bad boy. It's not a bad boy.